Rahman Salon. So, Mr. Ramzi, are you ready with the COVID-19 issue?
There is no problem in the sense this is my salon and hygiene and sanitation is #1 rule. This has been there right throughout my career. It's just that I think all of us we have let loose. So sanitizing and sterilizing is very important. Hygiene. So as someone walks in, they have to make sure they wash their hands with sanitation, or we have to spray this onto the soles of your feet. And mind you, when the client walks into my salon, they also are supposed to take either we have slippers that we provide to the client, or they have to go bare feet. Then the other thing is, see, you come in with your mask, you are supposed to take off the mask, or else we give you a separate mask. So every floor, I mean my cutting counter, my scissors, they are all sanitized. See, and even the wash basin, it's sanitized. So we make sure everything is sanitized, cleaned, and then the next person is taken in. So we need to take at least 1 hour sometimes. If the client overlaps, we make sure the client is outside our salon, make sure if it's clean, then we take them in. So it's a day-to-day operation. It is tough, but rewarding. So for the protection of the scissors and my instruments, after sanitation, the tissue, I have a oil, which I mean you don't have to do it every time, but at least at the end of the day, you make sure you oil it. It's like vitamin for your hair, so this is vitamin for your instrument. Because if this instrument is not looked after or not cared for, I can't do my job. And as much as it's important, I have to protect myself. I look after my clients. It's very important they come back because of all these cleanliness and hygiene factors. See, this is a #1 rule in any profession. It's just that I think we sometimes as Sri Lankans take it easy, but there is no difference. The difference is the hygiene and sanitation is there, but the distance is the gap. If you can see, I've taken out my counter chairs in between, so that if a client comes in, either they sit out or we take a space in between. So they have been looked after. It's like coming into a hospital. The care that you come. I still personally cut hair. I'm over 4 decades, but still I enjoy my work. And I'm wondering whether I should apply to Avans for a cleaning job, because I enjoy sweeping and cleaning, because that's a #1 factor. The shampooing part is the most important part, in the sense is the close contact. So before we take the next client, is very important, as I said, the sanitation with the product, either you directly straight on or into a towel. So what you do is you clean well into the hands. Plus, this is where you get caught. The client rests the head. So I think it's very, very important that you clean this properly. The corners, see, all that corners. You need to have separate towels or whatever things to keep it like that. So you're ready. So then I get in my client. It's a fresh towel. So you make sure the towel is tucked into the blouse. Mind you, the client has to have the mask on still, just for extra protection that the water doesn't go in. And then you shampoo. So once you finish shampooing, you take the client and then when the has to be changed, this has to be changed. And the next basin, the next client comes once we complete. So either you do it yourself or you need someone to help you. But cleanliness, cleaning is vital 100%.